Hi there, this is Adrian from Roomify, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a nice event calendar like this one using events created with B. So to do that, we're going to be using a nice module called Full Calendar View. And it plays pretty nicely with how we do events with B and lets you show them on a month, week, or day view. So let's go ahead and go over to Simply Test and get started. So we're of course going to use B. Then we're going to add one more module, which is Full Calendar View. So we'll do that, and we say Launch Sandbox, and I'll be back when our new site is ready to go. Okay, we've got our site, so let's go ahead and log in and enable our modules. Go to Extend, and we need to install B, which is Bookable Entities Everywhere, and the Full Calendar View module. So we'll go ahead and enable the dependencies and continue. So our first step will be to create an event hall content type and enable it for bookings with B. So let's add content type, call it event hall, and under B, we'll say make this entity type bookable and choose hourly bookings. So we don't need to worry about the fields, we have the ones we need, and let's go ahead and create a hall. So we'll add content, select the event hall content type, and let's call it the Gillespie Hall in honor of Dizzy Gillespie. And then we'll add a couple of reservations to display on our calendar. So let's do one for tomorrow in the afternoon. And let's do another one for 2 days from now in the morning. So now what we want to do is create a view of events. And we'll do this just like any other view. And we're going to need to make it a view of BAT events, which are created by B. We'll just show the hourly events, and we'll create a page. We'll use the full calendar display, and it defaults to fields. We'll just show all items. So now if we save and edit, the view is going to need the dates, of course. So let's add the dates field. We add event dates, and the format we choose doesn't actually matter. If we wanted to show it again in the tooltip, then it could matter. But for now, then we'll add that field and look at the settings. And what we need to do is choose the event dates field, which is a date range field for both the start and end date. And there are a couple of cool options here with Full Calendar View. You can set up legend colors. So if you wanted, you could create a event type taxonomy and give it a few terms and add a term reference to the BAT event entity type. And then you'd be able to show different colors for different events. So let's go ahead and apply. And so now we can see this in the month view. Let's go ahead and save the view and look at it on the front end. So we'll click View Page, and it loads. And this isn't too bad if you had a lot of events over the course of a month. The month display is nice, but where it looks really nice is on the week view. And it is possible you can add fields to the event content type, and then you could modify the reservation form to have a field for them and populate them, and then they could show in a tooltip here. So yeah, that's it. If we look at tomorrow, we can see our event on the day view. And so that's just a quick look at creating event calendars with the B module. Hope this helps. We try to put out a new video every week, so please subscribe if this is interesting to you. And just visit us at roomify.us to get in touch if you have any questions.